What are work ethics? Work ethics refers to a set of moral principles and values that guide an individual's behavior and attitude towards work. It encompasses a range of qualities such as integrity, responsibility, accountability, honesty, professionalism, and respect. Work ethics go beyond simply completing tasks. They encompass how individuals approach their work, interact with others, and uphold their professional commitments. Why are work ethics important for freelancers? Freelancers operate in a unique work environment where they are responsible for managing their own business and client relationships. Understanding and embracing work ethics is crucial for the following reasons: reputation and client trust. Freelancers rely on their reputation to attract and retain clients. Strong work ethics build trust and credibility, making clients more likely to entrust their projects to reliable professionals. Professionalism and accountability. Work ethics contribute to professionalism and accountability. Freelancers who exhibit high ethical standards are more likely to take responsibility for their work, deliver on time, and maintain open and transparent communication. Long-term success. Cultivating work ethics sets freelancers up for long-term success. By consistently demonstrating professionalism, meeting deadlines, and exceeding client expectations, freelancers build a solid foundation for their career and increase their chances of securing future projects. The benefits of embracing strong work ethics. Developing and embracing strong work ethics as a freelancer offers numerous benefits. Enhanced reputation. By consistently adhering to work ethics, freelancers build a reputation for reliability, quality, and professionalism. This reputation attracts new clients and fosters positive word-of-mouth referrals. Client retention. Clients value freelancers who exhibit strong work ethics. When freelancers consistently deliver high-quality work, meet deadlines, and communicate effectively, clients are more likely to engage them for future projects. Personal satisfaction. Embracing work ethics provides a sense of personal satisfaction and fulfillment. Knowing that you have acted with integrity, professionalism, and diligence brings a sense of pride and self-worth. Competitive advantage. In a competitive freelance marketplace, strong work ethics differentiate you from the competition. Clients appreciate professionals who go above and beyond, and this can give you a competitive edge when seeking new projects. Growth and learning opportunities. Upholding work ethics involves continuous self-improvement. By seeking feedback, learning from mistakes, and maintaining a growth mindset, freelancers can continuously enhance their skills and expand their professional horizons.